Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about milk pumps and how mothers can use them comfortably and effectively as part of their daily routine. A milk pump can be very helpful for mothers who want more flexibility while continuing their feeding journey. Many mothers use pumps while managing work, travel, household responsibilities, or building a milk storage routine. In the beginning, using a pump may feel a little confusing, but once you understand the process and build a routine, it becomes much easier and more comfortable. Before starting, always wash your hands properly and make sure all pump parts are clean and assembled correctly. Good hygiene is very important for safe milk collection and storage. Next, choose a calm and comfortable place where you can relax. Sitting with proper support can help reduce strain and make the session feel smoother. Before using the pump, some mothers gently massage the area for a short time. This simple step may help support smoother flow and make pumping feel more comfortable. Now place the pump correctly and begin slowly. If you are using an electric pump, start with a gentle suction level. If you are using a manual pump, use a slow and steady rhythm instead of pumping too quickly. In the beginning, the flow may take a few minutes to start, and that is completely normal. Staying relaxed and patient can help your body respond more naturally. During the session, try to maintain a comfortable and steady rhythm. Avoid rushing or changing settings too often. A calm and consistent routine usually works best. It is also important to pay attention to comfort. If something feels uncomfortable, pause for a moment and adjust the position or settings. Small changes can make a big difference. After finishing, carefully transfer the collected milk into a clean storage container and store it properly if you plan to use it later. Cleaning the pump after every session is another very important step. Wash all parts properly, allow them to dry completely, and store them in a clean place for the next use. Over time, your body adjusts to the routine, and pumping often becomes easier and more manageable. With regular practice, patience, and the right routine, a milk pump can become a very useful and supportive part of daily life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.